I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Look what I found at the supermarket this morning. This delicious, beautiful, vibrant, leafy green Swiss chard. Swiss chard is usually in season from June to August, but any time of the year it's available in your supermarket. And if your stems are firm and you've got these beautiful, hardy green leaves without any coloring on them, you're going to have a fabulous Swiss chard side dish. I've got about a pound of chard here. Be sure you rinse it well in your sink or in a big bowl of water, and any sand or grit here in your leaves will just fall to the bottom. Immerse your Swiss chard in water. Give it a lovely little swishing. Pull it out. Shake it off. Dry off your excess water here on your Swiss chard. I'm just using a tea towel with a chef's knife. We're going to take each leaf, and if it's a little rough looking here on the bottom, we're just going to chop it off like that. You can discard that. Open up the leaf and then go right here into the middle. Remove the stem because we're going to saute the stem a little longer than we are the leaves. Here I've got the stems of my Swiss chard. Using that chef's knife, we're going to cut them down into about 1/4 of an inch thick. The stems take longer to saute than the leaves. Now that you got your stem part chopped, we're going to come back with our leaves and just stack them on top of each other. And we can roll them in half, and we're just going to gradually shred our leaves of Swiss chard. It's all right if the leaves are still a little damp. That'll help cook them a lot faster. I know this looks like a lot, but think of it as spinach. So as it sautés and cooks, it's going to reduce in size. Over here on the stovetop, start by sautéing your stems of Swiss chard. We're going to turn our heat down from medium to simmer to cook these for about 2 minutes. I've prepared some chopped garlic I'm going to be adding with some fresh zest from a lemon. I may also add some fresh lemon juice. After 2 minutes, I'm going to add my freshly chopped garlic. Let me turn off my timer. I'm going to stir this around and let this saute for an additional 30 seconds. It's not going to take long. After 30 seconds, add your leaves of Swiss chard. Now, it looks like a lot that we have here. It's going to start cooking down. Just continue stirring, and we're going to do this for an additional 3 to 4 minutes. Can you see how it's beginning to wilt down? That's what we're looking for. And you may lose a few leaves on the side. And just put them right back in your pan and keep on sauteing. After 1 minute, it's looking like this, and I'm going to add a few sprinkles of salt. Not necessary, especially if you're adding the lemon. So I'm going to leave that up to you. And I like a little few grades of fresh cracked pepper. And again, I'm going to leave it up to you whether you want to add this or not. And boy, does it look so beautiful. So let's saute it for another 2 minutes. Our 2 minutes are up. I'm going to turn off my timer, turn off my heat to add some fresh lemon zest. And what we're doing is we're just looking for the yellow part of the lemon, as you can see where it comes out, and we're just going to add it right here into our Swiss chard. Swiss chard is a cruciferous vegetable. It's in the family of the broccoli, cauliflower, radishes. It's loaded with potassium, magnesium, iron, and so healthy for you. An excellent side dish with chicken, fish, steak, or whatever else you can think of. Remove off the heat to your favorite serving dish and a little fresh drizzle of lemon juice. I'm gonna give it just a little taste here informally. So loaded with antioxidants, so healthy for you. Here goes. Wow. Eat your Swiss chard as a side dish, put it in soup, salad, whatever else you can think of. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching. Stay healthy, and I'll catch you lovely people later.